So there's a little tiny cell moving through, but it has a special weather permit, and there is some hail on it. And I'm just gonna record it for purposes. And rain should be getting heavier, like, very soon. This is from a different angle than I normally shoot from, so. You're gonna see a lot of lightning too. Oh, geez, see that? I don't know if you guys saw that up there. They are, it looks like they're more cloud to cloud lightning than cloud to ground. So that's good. But still dangerous. I'm gonna close it. According to the National Weather Service, there could be some hail, 1/2 inch. So there could be some small hail that could fall. And there is going to be 40-mile-per-hour winds. I don't hear any hail, but there could most certainly be some hail. I think the height of it is going to be here soon. It was lightning detected 0.8 miles away from my current location, so. And also 2 miles away from my current location. Yeah, it's coming right on in, guys. And I've witnessed lightning strike right next to my house twice, so. I'm a little cautious with this type of stuff. It looks like things are starting to get a little bit windy. It looks like we're in the height of the storm. Woo. It's like blowing onto me. So. Yeah, let's see if it's any hail. No hail yet. Well, not even yet. No hail. If there is gonna be hail. It does sound like there could be some hail, but I don't think there is any hail. And I don't think there is going to be any. So, ooh, it's coming right under there. Not gonna happen. There goes some winds. Definitely low key to the warning. I'm sorry, it's a statement. The height of the lightning does look like it did pass, so that's good. And I think we might be in the height of the storm. And oh, there's hail. There's hail. There's some hail falling from the sky right now. We do have hail falling. Lots of hail. Lots of hail falling from the sky. Oh my God. Look at that. Lots of hail falling from the sky. Lots of hail. There's definitely some hail right now. Lots of hail. There you go. Look at all that hail falling from the sky. We have lots and lots of hail falling from the sky. We have a report of mothball-sized hail, 70 inches right now, according to the National Weather Service in Floe, a 70-inch report. We have tons of hail. And I think that was the height of the storm. That was definitely some hail. Let's go out towards the front. See if we can get some good pictures. So that is all the hail that we have that did fall from the sky. Let's pick up a hailstone. So, I just have to say mothball. Yeah, the mothball size hail fell from the sky. Lots of it.